Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. I hope you all are fine. Welcome to online classes. I'm your social studies teacher. Today we are going to do revision of unit number 8, that is the Stone Age. So this is our revision class. Today we are going to learn about how fire helped Stone Age people. Thousands of years ago, when humans lived in caves, there were only two main things to do: to protect themselves from the wild animals and to gather food. One day, people rubbed two stones together and made fire. You can see in the picture. They realized that fire was useful. They could cook food, they had light at night, they could keep warm, they could keep away wild animals. Stone Age people made charcoal by burning wood. You can see in the picture. This is a picture of a cave painting. You can see an animal here. They have drawn animal from the charcoal and mud on the cave, and this is called cave painting. Stone Age people used charcoal and mud to draw cave paintings. Stone Age people also learned to make a garden by planting seeds. Stone Age people learned how to keep birds that lay eggs. Stone Age people also learned how to keep a cow for its milk. Stone Age people lived by hunting animals and picking fruit. Then they learned how to plant seeds and water them. So they got lots of food. They could keep some seeds to plant the next year. They had made farms so they could stay in one place. You can see this is the picture. Their farm was so simple, but now we have modern tools for farming. We have tractors, we have knives, but on that time farming was so simple. They learned how to bake clay pots with the help of fire. You can see in the picture, this is a picture of a clay pot. Clay pots go soft in water, but if you bake clay pots in a fire, it goes hard and you can carry water in it. Now look at this picture. This is a picture of a Stone Age house. A Stone Age house in the UK. This is a Stone Age house in Scarberry, UK. It was built 5000 years ago. The people who lived there fished and grew a kind of wheat. They used only stone to make their homes and tools. They slept on dry grass in box bed. Now look at this. You can see fish tank. They kept their fish in the fish tank. Now you can see grinding stone. They ground fish using grinding stone. You can see fireplace. The fire in the fireplace kept them warm. Now you can see showcase. They kept beautiful things in the showcase. Now you will see stone wall. Look at the stone wall. The people of Scarberry lived in houses with stone walls. Now also we have stone walls. No, of course no. Box bed. They slept in a box bed. Stone bowl. They mix food in it. Slowly, the people learned to do new things. Later, they learned how to use metal. So, that was the end of the Stone Age. In Stone Age, Metal were not used in the Stone Age. Metal comes from underground and has to be made very hot before people can shape it. And at that time, people did not know how to do this. So, when they learned how to use metal, that was the end of Stone Age. Now, here's your classwork. You will do it with me. Open your notebooks and take out your pencils in your hand. I hope you have taken your pencils in your hand. Now, do this classwork with me. Write date and day. Write classwork. Write topic, the Stone Age. And now start it with me. Now, question number 1. What did Stone Age people learn to do? I'm going to repeat the question. What did Stone Age people learn to do? Already we have learned so many things. Write any two. I have written more than two, but you will write just two. Number 1. The Stone Age people learned to make pots. Stone Age people learned to make farm. Stone Age people learned to cook food on fire. Stone Age people learned to make shell jewelry. Stone Age people learned to make charcoal. Yes, there are so many things. You can write any two. If you want to write something more, you can write, because already we have learned so many things. Okay, now come to the question number 2. How did the Stone Age people make charcoal? Yes, it's so simple. They made charcoal by burning wood. And already we have learned that they have drawn cave paintings with the help of the charcoal and mud. Now we have pencils, we have pens to write something, but on that time they people have not any pencils. They didn't have pencils, erasers, so they used charcoal. They made charcoal by burning wood. I hope you have done this with me. Stay blessed. Have a nice day, students.